Here's how to rotate a page in Canva using Resize and Dimensions in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To truly rotate a page in Canva, you need Canva Pro. The Resize feature is not available on the free plan. Open Canva and open the design or image you want to rotate. At the top menu, click Resize. Click Custom Size. You'll see the current width and height values. To rotate the page layout, swap the numbers. For example, change 1080 x 1920 to 1920 x 1080. When prompted, select Copy and Resize. This keeps your original design safe and creates a new rotated version. Click the image. Use the Rotate handle to rotate it manually until it fits the new layout. Drag the corners so the image fills the canvas. You can also click Flip to flip the image horizontally or vertically. In Canva Free, you can't rotate pages directly. You must create a new canvas and manually reposition elements. Perfect for switching portrait to landscape, social posts, presentations, and print layouts. And that's it. That's how to rotate a page in Canva using Resize and Dimensions. Subscribe for more Canva tips.